Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Note 40 and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's begin with opening the camera app. And let me maybe clean the screen a little bit. And as you can see right here, we are in the standard photo mode. Unfortunately, we do not have the timer right here, which means that we have to open more options. So let's tap on this arrow. And here we've got the timer, this crossed out icon. Let's tap on it. And after tapping, we will open more options. So as you can see in this device, we've got 4 of them. So off, 3, 5, and 10 seconds delay. Let me choose 10 seconds delay. So let's simply tap on this option. And as you can see, this icon right now will be highlighted. We can see that we set timer. So now we can go back to the camera and tap on the shutter button. As you can see from now on, the device will count down from 10, 5, or 3, of course, depending on which option you've chosen, and after the time it will take a photo. So this is how to apply the timer. Of course, we can turn it off the same way. Just tap on the timer and tap on this crossed out icon, and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.